Okay, babe. So you say this is a Daryl Lumlet?
This is
How
a
do you say it?
Dara omelet.
That's what I'm talking about. Once again, y'all, here we go again. It's in the morning, Saturday. A lovely fiance again. Look at this. This is just priceless.
You didn't have a
I
spatula.
didn't have a spatula. And that's what a real woman does, isn't it? She improvises and adapts, and she overcame. Isn't that some? Mm, mm, mm. I wonder how it tastes.
I
Here
know
we
you're
go,
not gonna
y'all.
eat it all because it's a lot of food.
Here we
But
go. It is a lot. Daddy
you
gonna
can
be full. This
scoop
is
it.
why a man gains weight after he gets married and something like that, don't he? Because he has a good wife that cooks a lot of good food. Watch this, y'all. Let's see. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my God.
It tastes okay.
Oh yes, baby. It always tastes good because you put a lot of love into it and a lot of. Oh my God. Y'all, let me show you her right now.
No.
Here we go again. What I tell you. At least get your feet on that. Ain't that
No.
right, baby?
Oh my God, that's the worst part.
No, it's not. It's the best part, baby.
The end.
The end. All right. Breakfast of champions, y'all. All right.